Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. Tonight, I stop fighting reality. Not because I give up, but because I am ready to release the old version of myself. I lie down. The room is quiet. Lights are soft or already gone. I feel the weight of my body meeting the bed. The mattress receives me fully. I don't need to hold myself together anymore. My breath deepens naturally. Inhale. Exhale. I feel how tired I have been, not only physically, but from carrying hope while being disappointed. I let that exhaustion be here. No judgment. I whisper inside, I am allowed to rest even before my life changes. Something in my body softens. I realize something important in this stillness. I have been living from survival, from waiting, from enduring. And tonight, I choose something different. Not force, not urgency, trust. I place a hand on my chest. I feel warmth, a heartbeat. Life is still here, which means the story is not over. I let my mind wander, not to problems, but to possibility. Not how things will change, just that they can. I imagine the version of me who wakes up differently. Not rich overnight, not saved by miracles, but lighter, less afraid, less collapsed inside. I feel what that version feels like in her body. Her chest is more open. Her breath is deeper. Her thoughts are quieter. She is not forcing belief. She simply knows something has shifted. I let myself merge with that feeling. I say gently, tonight, I release the identity built on pain. I release the belief that life is against me. I release the story that it's too late. I don't argue with fear. I let it fall asleep. I imagine the night doing its quiet work, like soil receiving a seed. I don't dig it up. I don't rush it. I trust the process I cannot see. I remember many lives changed not in dramatic moments, but in silent decisions. Decisions like, I will no longer abandon myself. I will no longer live without hope. I will allow good things to find me. I feel a subtle peace spreading through my body. Not excitement, not euphoria, peace. And I realize reality begins to change the moment I stop arguing with my worth. I don't need to see proof tonight. I only need to rest in possibility. I let sleep approach me, not as escape, but as a reset. And before I drift off, I anchor this night with one quiet truth. Tonight, I allow my life to rearrange itself around a new version of me. I allow my life to rearrange itself around a new version of me. I don't rush tomorrow. I don't demand answers. I trust that when I wake up, I won't be the same. And that will be enough to begin. Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.